Alright, today we're going to talk about expanded form and standard form. So expanded form is a way to write numbers by showing the value of each digit. So for example, if I have a number written like 537, expanded form would be writing the numbers so we can see what each digit is worth. So we have three place values here. We have the ones, we have the hundreds, we have the tens, and down here we have the hundreds. So let's go ahead and try to break this into expanded form. So in the ones place we see a 7. What is 7 worth in terms of 1? Well, since 7's already in the ones place, 7 is worth 7 ones. How about the tens? What are 3 tens worth? So we have 3 tens, so 3 tens are going to be worth 30 ones. And I'm just going to change these to equal signs to make it look a little better. Now, when we have 5 hundreds, what are 5 hundreds worth? Well, 100 is worth 100, so 5 hundreds would be worth 500 ones. Now with expanded form, what we can do is we can have all of these numbers adding together, and that will equal the 537. So we have 500 plus 30 plus 7, and that's going to equal 537 in terms of the expanded form. So this number right here is expanded form. So I'm going to give one for you guys to try, and then I'll answer it in about 30 seconds. So go ahead and try to figure out the expanded form for 278. So I'll scaffold a little bit and give you guys the little chart I used in the beginning. So blank ones equal blank ones, blank tens equal blank ones, and blank hundreds equal blank ones. Okay, go ahead and take about 30 seconds to try to figure it out and write it in expanded form. Okay, so we have 8 ones. What is 8 ones equal to? 8, because 8 ones will be equal to 8 ones. How much is 7 tens equal to? Oh, let's see. So 7 tens, 1 10 is worth 10 ones. So 7 tens is worth 70 ones. And how much are 2 hundreds worth? 200 ones. So now if we add all these numbers together, we have 200 plus 70 plus 8, and that will equal 278. Awesome. So now briefly we'll talk about standard form. So standard form is how we usually see numbers written. So for example, if we have 123 that is standard form. But you might see a question that says, find the standard form. Of 100 plus 30 plus 1. So in this case, you would add all of the you would add the expanded form number together to create one number instead of an addition problem. So what's really nice about this is when we have 100 plus 30 plus 1, everything has a 0 or nothing. So you see we have 2 zeros and a 1 here, so we know it's going to be 1 because we have 2 zeros and a 1. We have a 0 and a 3 here, we know it's going to be 3. And then we have a 1 here with nothing, that we know it's going to be a 1. So this will equal standard form. Alright, well that is what I'm going to talk about with expanded and standard form. So you guys have a good day and practice for yourself.